Okay, this is the last of the videos I've been shooting this weekend. Just got in the mood for it. Anyway, this is my sealed gray water system for my Aliner Ranger 12, and that's my dog Rigby. This is sealed. The cost of the parts probably, I think, less than $100. It consists of a 12-gallon tank. That is a smart tote, and then we have a connector that twists right onto the side of the drain pipe on the A-liner. I think all the A-liners are standard size. We have this cap, which will go on the big connection on the gray water tank. We have a short, I think it's a 3-foot hose. This one is male to female. I couldn't find exactly what I wanted. Probably would have gone with a shorter one. As if the A-liner's not high enough off the ground where we're camping, this will, the drain's a little slow. But other than that, it works great. And then because this is a male to female hose, I have to use a gender changer, and I'm going to explain that. This gender changer connects to the end of the drain line connector, which connects to the hose. I'll show you that in a minute. The only thing I would probably have done different is I think this tank was, $60 or $70, something like that. And I think if at the time I'd spent $12 more, I could have gotten one that has either a strap or, one that you've seen them where they people run around the campground towing their gray or black water tank, and it's hooked onto the back of the vehicle. This one, when it is full, and it's 12 gallons, it's heavy, and I'm a strong guy, and I have trouble, just throwing it. Generally, I'll try to throw it into the back of the car and drive to the dump station, and then, or when I take the camper down on my way out, I'll have it in the back of the car. But either way, 12 gallons, it's 100 pounds sloshing around. It's heavy. Anyway, I'll be back in a second when I've got to start connecting this to. All right, now I'm gonna try to connect these things. I don't know if I can do it while shooting the video, and I'll try to explain it, but the end of the hose is male. The end of this connector that goes over here is also male. And so this is why we have to use this little female to female gender changer. If you can find a female to female hose, you will not need the gender changer. But anyway, this just screws on. Typically, I'll just leave it connected all the time. I took it apart so that I could show you how I do this. And all of these parts are everything I bought. Everything you see is on Amazon. Like I said, it was all under $100. All right, I'm going to connect this hose real quick. I can't do it while I'm shooting the video. I'll be right back. Now I have the male end of the hose into one side of the gender changer, and this little cap connected to the other side. It literally, you just pull that off. I've managed to break that, so it usually attaches here. And then this just, if I can not make a mess of it, it has a little I think they call this a banana clip or something like that. And it just kind of slides on, and it's attached. I have the hose, and I have to attach it onto this, which is going to screw onto the tank drain, or the sink drain. And I'll be back when I have this attached. All right, so now we have the drain connector attachment is attached to my hose. Everything's all together, and I'm going to screw it on here. I cannot do it while I shoot a video, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now that little apparatus is attached to the Aliner drain hole, drain pipe, whatever. And it's attached to my gray water tank. And we're pretty much good to go. The last thing I do, these tanks have one other little thing. And this is, I actually use this to, I'll either loosen it or remove it. And this, lets the air escape from this tank when, you're draining water out of the gray water tank. Again, this is as you can see, the length of that whole hose, sometimes it works well, because it will, if I'm on a sloped campsite and the tank's way below the Aliner, it's good. Right now, like if I was on a level campsite, which is actually typical, because of the the old curlicue going on, the drain from the sink will run slow. Otherwise, that's it. It's simple, it's sealed. This would pass for the national parks, and any of you who do the harvest host, they want you to have a sealed system. It's not a line just dripping out of the side of the camper. Anyway, I will post this to YouTube, and I will include my parts list. I think it's 1, 2, just 4 parts, $100. Hope this helps. And happy trails and safe travels to you.